My name is Lieutenant Colonel Kurt Wasilewski. I'm the commander of 3rd of the 320th Field Artillery Regiment of the 101st Division and the 101st Airborne Division.
Colonel Wasilewski, thanks for bringing some of your team out. We're looking forward to having you in the mix this season. What are you looking forward to in this season of BattleLab?
Yeah, Garrett, first, thanks so much for having us out here. The Multifunctional Reconnaissance Company brings a litany of different capabilities. So we'll have professionals that are trained on the ability to employ electronic warfare, the ability to perform reconnaissance, the ability to fly UAS, and then lastly, bring it all together through our fire support systems and ultimately finish the enemy. BattleLab is going to provide us the opportunity to do two very specific things. One, we're going to bring our TTPs here to the BattleLab, and we're going to get an opportunity to test them in real time, iteratively, incrementally, and determine whether or not they're useful in this current operational environment and framework. But then also, we're going to get the chance to work with a series of different tools that we haven't been exposed to before. And we certainly have a bunch of different objectives where we want to ensure that we can demonstrate our ability to employ the FPV systems and UAS systems and EW tools that we've brought here, but we also want to show that we can properly integrate them with new and existing technologies to ensure that as we adapt ourselves, as new technology comes into our hands, we're able to seamlessly integrate once those moments occur. Coming out of the BattleLab, success looks like our teammates properly integrating into the team and demonstrating that our unique TTPs that we've developed in the 101st Airborne Division have a place on the modern day battlefield. And then in addition to that, we're going to work with these new technologies and new softwares that the JEDDOC team has brought to the BattleLab and test and evaluate their efficacy and determine whether or not they have a place in the 101st.
So one of the challenges that I know you face in your role, synchronizing and weaving all these capabilities together in a field environment, is the same thing that we as, the hosts of the BattleLab and as tech company operators want to help you achieve, which is, again, synchronizing and layering in all these capabilities to achieve an effect. So over the next couple of days through our task force rehearsals and eventually in a full mission profile, we're really excited to see what the art of the possible is.
Let's go!